I am an AI image and I can talk. Come, let me teach you how.
Okay, so you're welcome to another training. So today we'll be shifting a little bit from what we've been doing. Before now, we'll teach you how to make bar soap and other cleaning items, but now I want to teach you how you can sell those products you've been making. It is one thing to make the product, then another thing to sell them. So one thing I'll be teaching us is how we can leverage AI to make ads that can help us sell our products. So I've been doing videos on images that I make images talk, and I've gotten a lot of requests asking that I teach how they can do this. So I want to teach you how you can generate images and make them talk so that you can use them for your business advert. So one place I generate images, either I use Meta AI or I use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is another great tool. I just gave it one prompt to generate an image for me. Created the image, it's still processing, but one thing with ChatGPT is that it takes a longer time. So but just leave ChatGPT, just let's go to Meta AI. So this is ChatGPT. You can use it for so many things, and amazing tool. You can ask it any question. You can tell it to do anything for you. Research anything, it will do it for you. So that's ChatGPT there. So let's leave it. Let's go to Meta AI. Meta AI is on Facebook, is on WhatsApp, is on Instagram. Meta is AI Facebook. So this is Meta AI. So let's tell Meta AI. I'll just give it a prompt. I'll say generate an image of a Nigerian woman. Let me say image of an excited, let's say excited, she's happy, excited Nigerian woman that that just learns how to make bar soap and other products from Glomajos Business School, showing her products in her mini home factory. Just put it like that. Just be very specific with your prompts. So generate an image of an excited Nigerian woman. We told them this woman is a Nigerian woman. Showing that just learned how to make bar soap from Glomajos Business School, showing off her products in her mini home factory, and wearing her production gear. Let's say that she's wearing her factory gear, her production gear. So let's say let's allow it. Let's say when you've given it the prompt you want, just be very specific. If you don't put Nigerian woman, it can generate a white woman for you. So tell it the type of woman, tell it what you want that person to be doing. So you just say ask. Once you say ask, it will come here. So these are plenty that I've generated a lot today. These are the ones I've generated earlier. So these are different ones I've generated. Can you see them? Beautiful ones that I've generated. So just give it the prompts. Meta AI will help you to generate. See now, see the beautiful girl. Can you see what it has generated for us? Did you see what it has generated for us? So fine. So this is one way we have generated this image, an AI image. We have generated it. So let's leave it. So how do we make this image to talk? So you now go to an amazing tool that I just discovered. Before now, I was using Digen AI. Digen AI also is also a great tool, but it has limitation in that you cannot do more than maybe 2 to tell you to pay. If you do few to tell you to pay. But this other AI tool, I find that I've done a lot today and it has not asked me to pay. So it is called Grok AI. Grok is Grok. Grok. G as in glory, R as in road, O as in orange, and K as in kettle. Grok. Grok AI. So once I've already downloaded the app, so it has generated my image. And one thing with Meta AI is that once you generate your image, the image will save in your gallery immediately. So it's already in my gallery. So I'll leave it. I'll now go to Grok AI. This is my Digen AI. This is Digen, but Digen has limitations. Let's leave Digen. Let's go make our life easier. We don't want any. We want a soft life. Soft life. So this is my Grok. Did you see? This is my Grok. This is my Grok. So I'll just click on my Grok. Once I click on my Grok, it will come.
This training is online. You can learn from anywhere in the world.
You saw this image in Meta.
This training is online. You can learn from
the one we generated now. So when you go back, when you come to once you go to Play Store, you will download that Grok AI. Once you download it, it will ask you to sign in. You just click, or it will tell you to either sign in or sign up. So you sign up. You sign up with either your email or your Gmail or with Twitter. So click anyone, but me, I tried to use email. It was not generating the code for me. So I had to change and I use my Gmail. So once you sign up with Gmail, it will bring you here. So once you come in, you now allow it, give it power to access your gallery. So this is the image you just generated now. So you just click on that image. This is different one that I've generated today. So many images I've generated today that I've used. So I'll just come back here. I'll click on this image. Once I click on this image, you'll see it will animate. And I'll now give it the prompt. What do I want this image to do? So I'll come here. It is animating. So you'll see what will happen now when it finishes animating. But why it's animating, I'll now come here. I'll now tell it what I want this image to say. So I'll say the woman says, just let it know that it's the woman that is talking. The woman says, you put colon, and you put a space. See what has happened. It has animated it. Can you see? She's happy. Can you see? Do you see the magic? So we'll now put our voice. Now the woman says, you now say, okay, what are we going to say? Let's say thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business. So just simple. This is what we want it to say. So you just click on this arrow. Just click here. So it will start animating. It will now add that prompt that we just gave it now. Can you see how easy and how simple it is? So it does not take time at all. It is generating. Let's just give it time. This is the first time coming across my channel. Please do watch the thread.
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
Can you see? Are you listening?
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
Can you see? Just like magic.
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
This is it. So this is how you do it.
Thank you.
The limitation with this app is that you can only record a 6 seconds video. 6 seconds video. Maybe they may say if you pay, you can record more. But how do you even do it? If all you have is 6 seconds, this is what I do. I have done a lot. I have recorded a lot of videos. You just be doing it 6 seconds, 6 seconds. Let's do 6 seconds. I've done a lot of 6 seconds. So when I come here, see now, look at all the videos I've done today. All of them. This is it. I started from here. This is 6 seconds.
Hi, my name is Ogeta Madukoma. Welcome to our practical soap making class.
Thank you. So
hi,
this is
my
one.
name.
And after this, I did another one. Just listen.
I learned how to make bar soap from Glomajos just last month, and I have started my business. I learned how to make bar soap.
This is another one I did.
See how we are excited because we are making money. Thank you, Glomajos.
See now.
See how.
So this is another one.
Come learn how to produce 15 different products for only 1,000 naira.
So this is another one. So I now did another one again.
To start learning, click the link below now or send a WhatsApp message to 234-829-46605.
So that is all. So I did this also.
With Glomajos, you pay once and you have lifetime access.
Okay, so you can see that the one we just did now is not here. Why? I'll tell you why. So let's go back there. Let's go back to our Grok AI. So the email you just generated now is here. This is it. The video we just generated now. This is it, right? This is the image we just generated now. Is here. Why is it not in my gallery? Because we have not downloaded it.
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
Once you're done with making
Thank you,
download, look at the
Glomajos,
download
for teaching
sign.
me the
Download
secrets
here.
of
Just
this
click,
business.
yeah, it will start downloading.
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
If I go back
Thank you,
to
Glomajos, for
my
teaching
gallery
me.
now, I will see this one now because I've downloaded. So when you do, ensure you download it. Can you see it? It's not there. Look at it. It's not here in my gallery. Can you see?
Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business.
That is how easy it is. So if you know,
Have you subscribed to my channel yet?
Please subscribe to my mommy's channel.
Please subscribe, click the notification bell, like and share.
okay, so that will be it for now. I hope you enjoyed this training. If you did enjoy this training, just say, and you got value from this training, just comment value. Say value. In my next video, I want to show you how you can make longer videos. Here I taught you how you can make just 6 seconds video. But I want to teach you how you can make longer videos, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120 seconds. If you know you want me to do that video for you, just say, I want more. I want more. Yes, value, I want more. And I will do that video for you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Please like and also share, I beg you. I beg you, please. Now, YouTube shows this video to more people that needs to see it. So, if I see more, I want more, I'll do the next part. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned.